Let's see how you can easily organize your leads fast using a simple pipelines. So what is a pipeline? A pipeline is basically a step-by-step process that shows how something moves from start to finish. In business, it usually used to track leads, orders, or projects. So think of it as a roadmap journey where each step is a stage or task or customer goes through. So for example, for a renovation company, the pipeline might look like this. New inquiry, the contact details provided. Consultation scheduled, the free site visit or estimate booked. Code sent, you send the pricing and the project plan. Contract signed, client approves and pays the deposit. Work in progress, the team is renovating and the project is completed, final walkthrough and the payment done. For example, say Sarah wants to remodel her kitchen. She contacts you. So here you can add them to a new inquiry pipeline. Schedule a visit, consultation scheduled. You send her a code sent. She accepts, contract signed. Your team starts the remodel work in progress, and kitchen finished. So project completed. So here, if you go to your account and if you click on pipelines, here you can create any pipelines you like with different stages as you wish. So let me create a new one and let me choose opportunity center over here. All right, and here we have these stages. So let me create a pipeline with all these stages mentioned over here. All right, so here the first one is new lead, new inquiry. All right, and the second one is consultation scheduled. So let me click on add new stage and add this. All right, and the third one is code sent. So let me add one more stage over here, and the fourth one is contract signed, and let me add stages over here. All right, and the next one is work in progress. So here you can easily move to next stages right here, and the final one is project completed. So that's the final stage over here. All right, so when you work with several clients, you can easily see the view over here. For example, who are the new inquiries, who are the projects you are currently working on, what are the projects completed, etc. So that is the beautiful thing about using a pipeline to track your projects and leads over there. Yeah, we have created this particular pipeline right here. So if you want to rename this one over here, go back to pipelines again. So here it's named as opportunity center. So if you want to add a different name, you can do that. For example, let me say renovation company leads. I just renamed this particular pipeline as this one, and you can even create multiple pipelines as you wish, but let's focus only on this particular pipeline we have just created. The goal is to add the people who contact you through any channels like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, even through the website chat widget into these pipelines as you like. For example, here we have a sample flow as well. For example, so we send this message through the chatbot automations. Hey there, thanks for reaching out. What part of your home are you planning to remodel? So here we ask for the area. So they will respond with some other area, for example, kitchen. So we send this next message asking them what's the full name, and after that we also ask them for the phone number as well. So at this stage we have already collected their name and phone number, so you can actually add them to the first stage in this pipeline board, which is new inquiry, because using that name and phone number, an agent can easily later send follow-up messages, make calls as well. And after that we also collect the address over here and also the preferred date and time for the free consultation. Suppose if they provide the address and also the free consultation time frame as well, then we can actually move them to the consultation scheduled over there, because they're actually more interested than just providing just name and phone number. In this case they have already provided the address and also the chosen time to for the free consultation as well. And here we can send the confirmation message right there. And for the other stages you can actually manually handle the leads as well. So you can easily drag and drop the leads where you send the codes, contract signed, work in progress, and also the project completed as well. So let me show this in a live flow as well. So let me go to the flow section over here. So here I have created this flow named as a home remodeling pipelines flow demo. So that's the exact flow I showed you. So the first question is what part of your home you are planning to renovate. So here we save this in the remodel area over here, and after that we actually ask for their name over here and the phone number over here. So once they provide the phone number, we can actually add an action related to pipeline. So here you can create a new action, or you can also use the existing action and add a new one related to pipelines over here. Open pipelines, and here we want to add the contact to the pipeline. So this is the first step. We want to actually add them to the pipeline, so choose this option, that's okay. And pipeline will be renovation company leads, and here you can add a name. So let me add just a user ID over here, and you can set the specific opportunity value as well. For example, let's say your project starts at like 5,000 minimum, so let me add the 5,000 over here. And here you can add any sort of opportunity description, assign admin, so you can assign a specific admin if you want. So let me say Henry Allen, and you can set the priority over here, status open, and at what stage you want to add them. So in this case we want to add them to the new inquiry over here, and you can even set the due date as well. So for now let's choose none over here. Alright, so at this stage, after they provide their name and phone number, they will be added to the pipeline. And here we also ask them to provide the address and also the time frame for the free consultation. So once they provide both the address and free consultation, we send this confirmation message to the user. So at this stage we can actually move them from new inquiry to consultation schedule, because they have actually provided the time frame and also the address as well. So you can do that as well. So here let me add one more action over here. Choose pipelines, and in this case we don't want to add contact to the pipeline, we want to just move the contact to the different stage. So choose this action, move contact to a stage, and the pipeline will be this same thing, and to which stage you want to move them. So choose consultation scheduled. Alright, and click continue, and make sure you publish this flow as well. Alright, this flow is ready. So now you can actually trigger this particular flow, home remodeling pipelines flow demo, through keywords or through the Instagram comments automation, story automations as well. So let's do Instagram comments automation and create a new one, and let me say pipelines demo, and you can use all post, private reply, just choose the flow home remodeling pipelines demo, public reply to comments. So you can add any sort of public comment reply saying send you a DM or DM send, etc. And when you want to trigger this automation, just choose comments equal and add a keyword. So in this case, let me say if they send demo, then we want to trigger this automation. And here you have other automations as well, and you can even delay this for a few minutes, seconds as well. So let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, it has been saved. Make sure to activate this one, say comment on the Instagram as demo, then this particular automation will be triggered. So here let me share my phone screen and open a random post over here, add the comment saying demo, and see how this actually works over here. Alright, so here we receive the message. It says, hey there, thanks for reaching out. What part of your home you are planning to remodel? So let me say kitchen. So it should actually goes to the next question and ask me for the name. Nice, we would love to help you with your kitchen. What's your full name? So Kim John, Mass Kim John. Let's see what happens. So it also asked me to provide the phone number as well. So let me provide a random phone number right here. Alright, I provided a phone number as well. So if you remember, based on our setup, once a particular customer provided their name and phone number, we should add them to this specific pipeline we have already created. So go to pipelines, we should see a new contact right here, and this from the Instagram. The customer details is recorded along with the opportunity value as well, and assigned to one of the admins right here as well. So here you can see the new inquiry has a pipeline value of 5,000, total 5,000 as well. So now let's move forward with the address as well. So for example, let me provide some random address here, and also it asked me to when is the free consultation. So let me say as soon as possible. Alright, let's see what happens. Perfect, we got all these details. One of our team members will contact you soon. So now once I provided the address and also the time frame for the consultation, now the same person will be moved to this particular stage right here. So let me refresh and show you. As you can see here, new inquiry, they have moved to the consultation schedule right here. So likewise, if you generate a lead from other channel, it works the same as well. Let's say you send them a code as well, so you can manually move this lead to code send right here. And let's say once they sign the contract, you can again move them right here. So this is just one contact, but when you have more leads from different channels, you can handle it effectively. And likewise, you can actually move these contact cards to different stages once they move down these pipeline stages. If you click on this particular contact card, you can check all these details over here, and you can even access the inbox right here, send any sort of messages as you like as well to the contact right from the pipelines window. Otherwise, you can also send messages through the unified inbox to this particular contact, as you can see here right there as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily organize leads fast using a simple pipelines. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.